Sounds like a mild case. Just make sure she gets plenty of rest.
Thank you, doctor. That is a relief.
The patient is doing well. We just need to run a few more tests.
That's a relief.
It looks like you're doing great, little one. Let's just check your heartbeat.
Everything looks good. Just continue the medication as prescribed. And keep them warm, of course.
All right, just checking your heart.
All right, little one. Let's check that heart of yours. All right, just a little poke, Mommy.
Now let's take a look at your little hat. See how bright it is?
Just like you.
Yes, that's right. Very good.
All right, little fella. Everything looks perfect.
Thank you, doctor.
Just needed a quick paw check. You're very brave.
All right, little guy, just a tiny prick. It'll be over in a second.